Customer behaviors is not something that you guess. You really have to measure it and to observe it. To do this, in order to improve our conversion rate and satisfaction rate, we selected the Content Square solution.
We've been using Content Square since November for the European sites and April for the UK site, and already the 3 main tests we've driven out from the Content Square site annualise out at around about £2.1 million in revenue. So it's already paid for itself. But the big resource benefit for me is time. To get that level of insight and to drive that many beneficial tests, we'd really need another 3 full-time members of staff, but by having Content Square, we can drive that insight across the entire digital team.
I think one of the really powerful things about Content Square is the attribution of revenue, against metrics. Whether it's changes that we make to protect core revenue streams or changes we make to drive incremental revenue. Content Square is the heart of that decision-making process. So being able to go into the tool, gain insight within minutes, means we spend less time analysing, more time optimising.
Customer experience is important because it helps us level set the expectations of the customer. It helps us build trusted relationships with them, and we are seen as strategic advisors. And honestly, it just adds more fun to the experience. We have these personal relationships built with our customers. We're seen not just as another vendor, but really a true partner that they can rely on and come to for many different business needs.
Customer experience is really the foundation of a lot of our strategy and our campaign planning. It's really important to understand what are your customers and prospects looking for, what are the type of things that they find interesting, and then what are the channels that we're using to get it to them.
Customer experience is important to my role every single day because I analyze a wide variety of metrics to help our clients understand what user flows are seamless, what elements are frustrating for users, as well as what functions on their website help drive conversion from entry to checkout.
Customer experience is really vital to my role. Studies show now that 60% of any sort of buying decision happens digitally, and then by the time a B2B buyer is ready to engage with a sales rep, they're pretty much 57% of their way into the buyer's journey. And so that entails a lot of research that's done online, both on our site, through our blog, through our resources and customer stories. If they're not finding what they're looking for, they're not having a good experience, then they're never even going to get to me to discuss further.
Our customer experience, or what we deliver and how we touch you guys and how we touch our customers, really starts from everything that we do, from the content that we're putting out there, from the report that I'm distributing, from the way that the report is looking like, from the blog post, from the PR, from an event, and how are we looking at an event? Why would someone want to talk to us? Everything goes back to what I'm putting back into the market and how I'm able to understand my customers.
On this October 1st, we are very proud to celebrate the International CX Day. Very happy also about the partnership with CXPA. We have helped tons of clients across industry to improve their customer experience. We fight against the Amazonification of the world. We believe all websites should not look the same. We believe that your website can be very rich and yet convert. And this is what we've done for many of our clients across industries. You should come and join our community of happy digital experience builder because this is what we can do for you.